naman. Ang ganda. I like the last one a lot.
Ako red. Next time red. Papakapain ko muna para bagay.
Bobby! Ito pala, open pa yung serrations.
Sponty road trip! Hey, barista! Iyak ako!
Talaga para no.
You know. We have tempura, katsu, and ramen. Hi, can I get an ice grande pumpkin spice latte?
Something flavor masala.
Yeah. Or dapat ata. Hey guys, so I'm just going to show you a quick Watson's haul since I'm not going to do a sit-down video for this anymore. It's just like a quick haul on the things that I got. First is we got a Lay body wash. This is the cleansing and firming one. Next would be this Abony Spa Milk Salt shower formula. I always see this, so I'm curious to try this one, so I bought it. Next would be this buy one take one. So this one is the hair treats hair spa. I got the coconut one and the milk and collagen. So the coconut one helps repair damaged hair, while the pink one is milk and collagen, helps strengthen hair to lessen hair damage. So yes, I got these. And the last two items that I have here are makeup. This one is the BLK for the brows, and this one is a color adapting lip and cheek oil, which I tried it just now. It's good. So yes, that's all for my Watson's haul. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Hi guys, where are we? Where are we? Tagaytay. Let's go ATM. Guys, bye tayo sa cam. O, Enrique!
Oo, doon na lang tayo. Ano mo tao? Sige, masarap naman.
Hirapan ka naman.